Hello girls, today we will see division of a decimal by a decimal. So you have done how to divide a decimal by a whole number. That was very simple division. Okay, now this is going to be a bit different kind of division where both the numbers will be in decimal. The divisor also and the dividend also. For example, we say we are given a question 0.8 divided by 0.4. Now if you look at the question carefully, decimal 0.8 and decimal 0.4. Both the numbers are in decimal. So here we clearly know that we have to divide a decimal by a decimal. Now, simple, there are 2-3 things which we have to look into and we have to follow those rules to make these sums simple and easier for us. Like the first step here, what will be the first step? That we have to remove the decimal of these decimal fractions. It can be divided like this, but just to make it simple for us, just to make it easier for us, we are going to remove the decimals first. So we know here we have 0.8. So when you remove a decimal, in place of that, in denominator we put 1. And we see that how many digits are there after the decimal. So here we have only 1. As you can see, it's only 8. 1 digit after the decimal. So we will put only 1 0 with 1 in the denominator. Same goes for your next one, 0.4. So you are going to remove the decimal. In place of decimal, in the denominator we are going to put 1. And again after decimal we have only 1 digit. So we will put only 1 0. If we had 2 digits, we would have put 2 zeros in the denominator. But here in both the numbers we have only 1 digit after the decimal. So 1 1 0 in the denominator. So this makes our fraction as 8/10 divided by 4/10. Now, if you remember, we have done a full exercise of reciprocal, and what do we do in the reciprocal? We, of the second fraction, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator, and your division sign changes into the sign of multiplication. So basically here you are going to take the reciprocal. This means that we will be getting here 8/10. This changes into the sign of multiplication and this will be written as 10/4. Right? Now, if you look at the numbers, we have 8/10 multiplied by 10/4. This we have already done before previously. So we can see that we have numbers, we have digits which are multiples of the same number. So we can cancel them out like 10 1 times and 10 1 times. Then we have 4 and 8. 8 is a multiple of 4. 4 1 times and 4 2 times. So what are you going to get then? So we have 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2/1, which means the answer is 2. Alright. What have we done simply? First, we have to remove the decimal. Then we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. and then we will see if there are any cancellations. We will cancel out the numbers. Otherwise, simply we will multiply and we'll see what do we get in the answer.